Alright, subscribers, welcome back. So I'm going to try this headlight method and see if it works, because as y'all can see, my dimmer, which is right here, it used to hang above there. You see the little clip, but it broke. So I'm going to go ahead and put these in the oven and get this off of here if I can. And I'm going to install my new scripts in here. So stay tuned. See if this works, guys. Alright guys, so it will be hot, so you will need an oven mitt. I'm going to use my rotary tool. I might want to make sure that that's tight. Yeah. But this thing is radiating heat, so it is hot. I gotta make sure it's tight, so I'll be right back. Alright, on this game, so I had to put this bit back in the oven to get it, but I do have my rotary tool here. And what I'm gonna do is take this off, get my little reflector out, and then I'm gonna get the script. And yeah, just stay. Alright guys, so I got my scripts in. Even this one here is clear. I'm gonna try to clear this oxidation away with this. I already tried, because originally it was the glue was stuck, so like I couldn't remove it, but y'all see like it's residue right there. Eventually I got it off, and then while getting it off, the shit spread it everywhere. I did use this. Normally would help. I mean, it's pretty much is what they got, I believe, in here. I believe something like that, something close to it. So now I'm going to use this. Well, practically the fucking box I just showed y'all. This. So maybe this will help with this. So let's see. What do I have no one cracking? Welcome back to the Honest Channel. Today it's beautiful weather here in Pennsylvania. Here's little mama over here. So I told y'all I was doing the one-offs, and my other video I had to delete it. But basically what happened was the glue got stuck, and I tried to like scrape it off, and then once I like began to clean it, it began to get like oxidized. So now it's like foggy, and it is definitively ugly. It is ugly. So if you or somebody have any Caravan Town and Country headlights, comment down below. But overall, I'm not really like dissatisfied. As y'all can see, this is the left. But what happened here was, let me show you. So this is only a mock-up, but I'm going to show you what I did wrong. So mistake started, you can't even barely see that, but mistake started here, right? Now let me go get the other one, put the other one in. Y'all can see them contrastively together. This is an old headlight, but y'all can see the ones that I did, and I'll let y'all see the, I'll explain to you the mistake just once. Alright, so I ain't got really much memory, so but this is only generally mock-ups. But so as y'all see, before I had it on the outside here, it's still even like residue there, but I had it on the outside there. So when I put it in my mind, I was like, okay, I'm going to replicate exactly what I did for the outside. So y'all see how clear it is. Nothing went wrong. Light in the middle went well. Turn signal light went well. Boom, right? Okay, so on this side, as y'all see, the damn turn signal is opposite. because I had the light when I was gluing it. I had the light upside down. So in my mind, when I was putting it in there, that script that runs across the top was on the bottom, which replicated this one that's on the bottom. So fuck my luck. But I ain't gonna lie, it is clean. I mean, it is different. Probably gonna be like the only one. I'm gonna have to get another headlight, but I may even just go for a set and then do similar script setup, LED script setup, and then boom, we'll be done with that. Then it's finna get cold, so I don't know how fast I could activate my funds, but hopefully it'll go well, because I ain't gonna lie, that is kind of like dope. And also I got amber turn signals to replicate the OEM. This here is only a cover. This here is only a cover. When I put them in the oven, the one on the passenger side melted. Plus, when it was in there with the script, it just looked ugly because this is like blocking it. So I may even with the new ones go, you know, 2 script. You know, but this again is generally like a mock-up. It's something to, you know, consider. Hell, I might even start selling these for $100 pop. You know, I probably will. But you can clearly see that this side, the driver's side, is way cleaner or clearer than this. Now, maybe I just need to polish it. You know, maybe it's just something really simple. I'm still kind of debating on sealing it back. I haven't sealed it back yet. I'm still thinking about it. Haven't really made my mind up on if I want to or not with it like that. I just tried to turn the headlight on. I don't think it's connected. She is dirty. Gotta clean her up. But I just turned the headlight on, and y'all can see the turn signal. You can see that crystal damn clear. But the headlight isn't on, so maybe I have to reconnect that wire back there before I seal it all the way off. But what y'all think? Did it come out good? Is it bad? Horrible? Yeah, see? Look at this. Yeah. So when I switch this to amber, because this is supposed to be LED, but when I switch it to amber, it's gonna be fucking cool, bro. It's gonna be cool as shit. And should I sell them? Should I start doing these for? There it goes. Should I start doing these for town and country caravan owners? You know, and if y'all want me to put something here, or should I paint that black, or should I just paint this right here chrome? Y'all let me know. I'm still kind of like on the fence, like what exactly to do to make this thing essentially one off. Essentially. Even these fog lights down here, I'm going totally custom. Totally custom. Just a little stuff. So, like, share, comment, subscribe, join the movement. Support the damn movement. It's free. Costs you $0, 0 cents to subscribe to the channel. And plus, I would appreciate your subscription. As it get darker, I'm gonna try to get y'all a video of it hooked up, or at least pre-lit. Because this is my DRL. This is my turn signal. The same thing over here. The DRL is back there, and the turn signal is there. Well, it's there. It's supposed to be there. Yeah, subscribe.